everybody, today I'm going to show you my Five Below projection alarm clock. Now this came from last year 2016, I can't even remember, but it's first from the last month ago. So this is actual color change switch, I didn't even know. And it also came with 3 new liter AAA batteries. So these are the buttons. This is where you when this light turns on, projection time will come up there. So let's go ahead and insert the AAA batteries. And the last battery. The batteries are loaded. As you can see, when you first turn this on, it's going to tell you at 1 o'clock time. That means the clock is set at 1 o'clock. So here's our on-off switch for this one controls the lights, and these buttons control the projection up there. This will go off after 20 seconds. You have our horn right here. Here we have our set in alarm JD mode. So I'm going to go ahead and set the correct time, and I'll give you a demo. Alright, so the correct time is set. If you press the ADG button, it will tell you the alarm clock time, it will tell you the date and the time. Alright, so the current one is just like 7:20. So, if you want to enable alarm, press set. These will blink. Press the ADG, set snooze and alarm. Press the set button 3 times and you're set. To demonstrate the projection feature, and this heater is getting a piece of bug. Turn off these lights and we'll turn it on. As you can see, I don't know if you can guys see that, but let me remove the projection right there. As you can see, it will project the current time, and it's also going to project everything that comes out to the border display. As you can see, watch that LED fade out, because that looks beautiful. Fade it out. Now, I'm going to turn on the switch. These control these lights as well. So this is the first mode right here. If you look up there, I don't know if you guys see it, but the camera's not doing well. So, actually, this light is color change. So it's red, green, and blue only. So it's going to go to the second mode. Starts off with red. Goes into the green, goes into blue, then to yellow, and then to the aqua, and then to the pink, or green, or purple, I call, and it goes to the white. Now let's go on to the third mode. I don't know if you can guys see that, but now fourth mode is going to be strobe. And whoa, that is really, really scary. Let me go ahead and turn the lights back on. So when this alarm rings at 6 a.m. or any other time, the speaker is going to go beep beep. So let me put an alarm for 7:25, and we're going to wait 2 minutes, and we're going to see what happens. So I'm going to set it at 7:25. When you're done, press the set button, and your alarm is all set. So I'm going to wait at least 2 minutes, and this alarm is going to ring and see what happens. Alright, now the alarm is going to ring right now. So, here we go. As you can see, it stopped for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to sit back at 6 a.m. Which, this might be not good at all. 6 a.m. As you can see, this projection alarm clock, you can get it at Five Below for $5. Which is truly amazing. Now it's set back at 6 o'clock alarm. And that alarm is loud. So, hope you enjoyed this video of my Five Below projection alarm clock. And also, please comment, rate, and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching.